On my first visit here, when I visited Delaware Smile Center, I had a lower partial. It was a removable partial. I also had a three-part crown, three-part crown that was failing badly, and it really was time to, to try something else. Dr. Sheth looked at my teeth and he made an assessment, and he said, really, a removable partial would probably not be an answer again, because basically I was losing some very critical teeth. I was losing my self-confidence. I was not smiling. I was kind of embarrassed about my smile. I was having all kinds of infections and on antibiotics trying to get rid of my infection, and that just seemed to be the best solution. He suggested to me that I might want to try the dental implants, and with an attached denture, and I was really kind of interested in that. When I came in for a consultation, we discussed the financial aspect of the procedure, and I talked to the financial advisor and the team here, and we worked out a payment plan that best fit our household and our budget at that time. He showed me pictures, he showed me examples, he actually had me, touch the denture and look at the implants, and he went over the whole procedure and the whole process. It has been life-changing. Actually, on the day of the surgery when I came in, I was still kind of, apprehensive and really nervous, and I remember looking at Cammie going, Cammie, am I really making the right decision? And she reassured me that I was definitely making the right decision. And at the end of the day, he had done everything that he had set out to do. I remember him placing the piece into my mouth, the denture into my mouth, and the lab tech guy was there, and everybody was standing around to get my reaction, and he gave me the mirror, and I started to cry, and I remember blowing kisses to the lab tech going, thank you so much, this looks so nice. And my two daughters kept texting me going, Mom, are you okay, are you okay, So I sent them a selfie, and they both sent me this text back going, Mom, that looks amazing, you look amazing. So, and it just made me feel so good. I just can't thank this office enough for giving me my smile back.